OnePlus smartphones running OxygenOS 12, 14, or 15 have a serious SMS vulnerability discovered by cybersecurity firm Rapid7. This flaw lets malicious apps access SMS and MMS data without user consent or notification. It compromises SMS-based multi-factor authentication security. The issue was introduced with OxygenOS 12 and affects a core Android component. Wider vulnerability is suspected across other OnePlus devices on these OS versions. OnePlus acknowledged the issue and plans to deploy a global fix via software update starting mid-October 2025. Meanwhile, Rapid7 recommends installing apps only from trusted sources. Switching to Authenticator apps for MFA is advised. Using end-to-end encrypted messengers is also recommended. Opt for in-app push notifications to minimize risks.